Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to guide you through the process to enable the dark mode for most of the Windows application on your Windows. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. Press Windows plus I for that and you can access your settings. And once you access your settings, you can directly go to the option called personalization from here and then click on it. Once you click on it, you can look out for the option called colors here directly. Just go ahead and tap on it. And under color, you'll be finding an option called choose your mode. So you just need to choose this mode right here, select light, and if light is selected, you need to select the option of dark and apply it up, and the dark theme will be directly applied on your screen. For more control, you can scroll down and look out for custom color options right there. And then you can just go over and tap on view colors, and you can view the colors and apply it up and tap on that, and that should do it. You can even turn on this option called show accent color on start and taskbar, and even on your title bars and window borders. You can just go and turn on that option right there. That should definitely work out for you. And you can just go and turn it on. Many of the applications, the modern applications today, have dark mode directly applied on their screen. So for that, you can just go over and have your own dark mode settings. For example, if you're using Chrome, you can open it up. And from there, look out for the three dot in the top and select it. And look out for the option for dark mode here. Or go to customize Chrome and select the option of appearance and choose it to dark and apply it up on your device. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow up for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.